meron ba silang uh, ano to, counterpart na trabaho nila with the intelligence officer or DICA or other, wala naman, sila lang daw. Diba? Madriaga, maganda ka na ikaw ang sunod ni Robin na umupo. Kasi si Madriaga, identified din ng kaso niya is kidnapping. Identified na yun. And ito lang, hindi natin alam na meron palang kaso. Pero hindi niya, hindi biro yung kanyang kaso, ha? Lalo na perjury. Pag perjury, ibig sabihin, namenging ka, nagsinungaling ka, ano ba yung credibility mo na nagsasabi ka ng totoo ngayon? Which many times exposed naman yan dito sa cross-examination ng ating defense. Kaya nga, laging iyak din si Attorney Libutan. Lagi siya umiiyak kasi ayaw niya sagutin ni Toto. Kasi pag sinagot niya, pupulit niya. Minit ang ulo ng mga prosecution ngayon. Attorney Sipunin. Si Attorney Sipunin. Tingnan natin ano ba ang kay Vice President I'm tapping him to be the deputy spokes of the defense team. Although hindi pa siya mag-start. Vice President's supposed attendance here this actually, I spoke to her a few minutes ago before entering the Senate. Hindi pa siya sure kung makapunta siya today. Unsure pa dahil meron siyang mga scheduled meetings. Titingnan pa daw kung makakahabol or hindi. But again, hindi pa po sure. Just para lang sa kalaman ng lahat. Pero if ever narating siya, pupunta po siya sa diet. Maaari po, no? Hindi lang namin i-discount. Ayoko lang sabihin categorically dahil nga hindi pa siya sure dahil ang huling sabi niya sa akin when I was trying to confirm kung pupunta siya ako, she's in Manila but she has several meetings scheduled, so titignan lang daw niya kung makakahabol siya. So I guess it will depend on kung meron pang ongoing, no, at that time. She didn't tell me, but we don't have a scheduled meetings, no? So it will probably be because she wants to, of course, provide support to her employees, which she always does naman, no? Not just with her chief of staff, but with everyone else. Wala pa kasi hindi nga niya masabi kung anong oras siya o kung makakahabol siya. Basically, tinanong ko siya kung makakapunta siya today. Ang sabi lang niya sa akin, nasa Manila na siya. So she's in Manila, but she has several engagements, so hindi talaga masabi kung makakahabol siya. So sinabi naman niya na ano ba yan, TV? Pumatay sa kanya, kaya nga siyempre na maglabas ng resource report na Tiramisu, in summary, dalawang witnesses, sila ay hostage witnesses. Yes, I agree with that. Just now na-expose talagang may kapalit yung ginagawa nila ngayon. May, kumbaga
I think na-encounter ko na yan eh. Makikita mo siya sa... Kasi hindi ko alam kung paano nila ginagawa yun eh. Makikita mo doon sa archive, naka-archive lahat yun. Punta mo ng archive, makikita mo yung pinag-message niya na mga ano, identic to video. So, maraming ma-scam yun. Ganun ang gagawin nila yun. Ingat mo kayo sa pag-open-open ng ganyan ng mga link na ganyan. Isa kaya si Jojo, ibang-iba ang pagkasabi under condition kapag pinatay siya. Hindi reference yan. Warning lang.
About the president giving his statement. Objection leading. These are preliminary.
Ay, bawi-bawi lang. Ikaw nga kanina eh.
This is already redirect, Your Honor. I know. Preliminary questions allowed. Reform counsel.
Kami naman.
You mentioned in your direct examination
Kami naman.
a video where the president gave his reaction to the threats of the president. Yes, sir. If shown a copy of the video, will you be able to identify the same? Yes, sir. Now, Your Honor, I move that the same video marked as Exhibit B dash Roman numeral 4 dash 13 be played for consideration of the witness and the court. So directed. Is it in a USB? Is that in the USB? Yes, Your Honor. So you will again have to break the seal? Yes, Your Honor. Yung seal, madali na i-break ha. Mr. Witness, kindly break the seal. Yes, Your Honor. In front of the assisting counsels for both the prosecutor and the respondent. Counsel, do you know the timestamp? Your Honor, it's we will be showing only the first half of the video, Your Honor. It's not too lengthy, Your Honor.
Okay, prepare. Ganyan kayo.
Kakabahala ang mga pahayag na narinig natin itong mga nakarang araw. Nandyan ang walang pakundangang pangungura at ang pagbabanta ng planong ipatay ang ilan sa atin.
Bawal yan. Pag pinagpapakita ng adik, baka tayo'y magpalito ha. So, kung ano to ha.
Kriminal na pagtatangka ay hindi dapat pinapalagpas. Yan ay aking papalagan. Masadya
Bawal ang magpakita ng adik.
ako bilang pinuno ng Executive Department at lahat ng mga nanunungkulan sa pamahalaan ay may sinumpahang tungkulin na
Galing mo na natin kasi baka magbal tayo.
ating mga batas kaya hindi tama o magpatigil sa mga halal ng bayan sa paghahanap ng katotohanan. Hindi na sana hahanto President resign.
Objection, Your Honor. It's misleading, Your Honor. She never mentioned that there was a contract to begin with.
May kinausap na akong tao. Referral counsel law. Where, if I may order, where the Vice President stated he already contracted a person to kill the President.
Objection, Your Honor. The Vice President never said